Hi there, my name is Simon, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Now, as you might know, there are multiple ways on how you can buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. The easiest one being to just use a credit card, but the downside of using a credit card is that you'll have to pay a lot more in fees. This is why I personally recommend to not use a credit card, but instead use your account balance. So what you'll have to do is transfer money over from your bank account to your Coinbase account and then simply buy your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency using your account balance. In this video, I'm going to show you both methods. First, I'm going to show you how to use a credit card, and then I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account, deposit money into your Coinbase account, and then use your account balance to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, and you're going to save a lot more in fees. So if you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'm going to leave a tutorial down below in the description that will show you how to set everything up from complete scratch. So with that being said, let's head over to my computer and get started. All right, so let's now look at how we can buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency here on Coinbase using our credit card. So to do that, we go to the top right corner here and click on Buy Sell. And then this little window will open up where we can buy cryptocurrency. And we can also, when you click on the Sell tab here, you can sell cryptocurrency or convert between different cryptocurrencies. But in order to buy something, we want to make sure we are here on the Buy tab. And then you notice that you can buy up to 3,000 euros worth of cryptocurrency with one transfer. And this is because I am in Europe, so you can see euros here. But if you are in the United States, you're probably going to see US dollars. And if you are in Great Britain, you're probably going to see British pounds. And let's say we want to buy Bitcoin worth 1,000 euros. You could also, instead of typing in the value in euros, you could also change this to Bitcoin. And then you can type in exactly how many Bitcoins you want to buy. So I could say 0.001 or something. So that's up to you, but I like to do it actually with the value in euros. So I'm going to type in as an example 1,000 euros. And then right now it's set to one-time purchase, which means that it will only do this one transaction, and then you'll have your Bitcoin in your Coinbase account and everything is done. What you can also do is have this kind of as a reoccurring purchase. If you click here, you can say, okay, I want to buy Bitcoin worth, let's say, $500 every week or every 1st and 15th of the month, which is every 2 weeks or every month. So because Bitcoin is very volatile, many people kind of want to dollar cost average their way into their crypto positions. So this is a very nice way you can do this. But I just want to make sure you know that if you think about purchasing small amounts of cryptocurrency, then I wouldn't go for like every day or every week, because then the fees are going to be a lot higher because we're going to pay a flat fee, as we've seen before when I was talking about the different fees here. So, but this is a very cool way how you can dollar cost average here into your Bitcoin positions, for example. But I'm just going to leave it at one-time purchase for now. And then here we can decide on what kind of cryptocurrency we want to actually buy. So by default, it's set to Bitcoin, but we can also just click here and then you can scroll down and you can see you can buy Ethereum, Litecoin. These were like the most popular ones or the most known ones right now. But when you scroll down, you can see also a lot of them that you maybe haven't heard of, like maybe Tezos or maybe Ren or something like that. These are like smaller coins with a lower market cap. So this is up to you. Obviously, you have to do your own research on what kind of cryptocurrency you want to buy. I'm just going to stick with Bitcoin for now. And then here is the payment method. So by default, it's set to credit card because we have already set up our credit card when we have signed up for our Coinbase account. And again, Coinbase wants to make it as easy as possible for people to go ahead and buy their first cryptocurrency. That's why they suggest to you that you buy with your credit card. But personally, I wouldn't want to buy with my credit card because, as you've seen before with the fees, it's a lot more expensive. It's like a 4% Coinbase fee that you have to pay, and also the 0.5% spread, as we've talked about. So it would be a 4.5% fee, which would be like $45 that will just be gone from your $1,000 that you have to pay. But nevertheless, if you want to use a credit card, what you have to do here is click on Preview Buy. And then you can see the overview of the transaction that you have to confirm now. So here on the top, you can see roundabout how many Bitcoins you'll be getting with your transaction. It doesn't mean that you'll be getting the exact amount that you see here, because as the price fluctuates, you might be getting a little bit of a better price or a worse price. But here you can also see that you will be paying with your credit card. Then you can see, again, the average, the price right now. But again, this doesn't mean that you will be actually getting this price, because the price changes. Cryptocurrency is very volatile. So it can be that the price will be a bit better or a bit worse. And then you can see the Coinbase fee here. Like I said before, it's almost 4%. So that would be $38.37. And then what's left of this is $961. And with that amount, you'll be buying your Bitcoin. But again, there's going to be a spread of 0.5%, which is already calculated in this price right here. So this is another fee of like $5 that you have to pay that you don't even see here in this overview right here. And then if that's fine for you, what you can do is click on buy now, and then it will put once the order went through, it mostly takes a couple of seconds, and then it will put the Bitcoin inside of your portfolio here on Coinbase. So once you've done that, you can go here back to your home screen, go to portfolio, and then when you scroll down here, you can see all the different assets. And then it would say something like, okay, you have now 0.1 Bitcoin or 0.05 Bitcoin in your portfolio, depending on how much you have bought. All right, so what I'm going to show you now is how to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency here on Coinbase using your account balance. The reason I actually recommend to use your account balance instead of your credit card is because the fees are a lot lower. So before we actually can buy with our account balance, we have to make sure that we actually have an account balance of euros, US dollars, or British pounds on our account. And in order to do that is we have to deposit money from our bank account into our Coinbase account. And before we can deposit our money, we have to verify our bank account as a new payment method. And the way we do that is we go to the top right here where you see your name, click there, and then click on settings right here. And then it'll take you to your settings, and here you want to click on payment methods. And here you can already see that you have your credit card set up as a payment method, because we had to set this up when we were signing up for our new Coinbase account. So then you want to click on add payment method right here. And now we're going to click on Euro bank account. Now, this is because I live in Europe, but if you live in the United States, it's probably going to say US bank account, or in Great Britain, it's going to say British bank account. So click there. And then here you want to type in the name of your bank, your IBAN number, and also your BIC code, and then click on verify your account. And once you've done that, you're going to see the bank details that you're going to need to send a small amount of money to in order for them to verify your bank account. And what's very important here is to, first of all, use the correct information. So make sure everything is correct here when you actually carry out the money transfer using your bank. And what's the most important thing is to use the reference number that you see on top here in blue. Make sure you use your specific reference number and put that in the reference field of your bank transfer. If you don't use that reference number, then the money will not actually arrive in your Coinbase account, and your bank account will also not be verified, because they don't know where that deposit belongs to. So send over a small amount, like $5 or something. I've actually sent €5, and I used Revolut as my bank account to send them this small amount, because I'm going to use Revolut to fund my Coinbase account. And again, you want to make sure to actually use the bank account that you're also going to use later on to fund your Coinbase account. And the cool thing with Revolut is that the transactions, the bank transfers, are very quick. So it only took like a minute or something until the funds actually arrived here in my Coinbase account. So once you actually have transferred the money over, you can click on I've sent it. And then you will get to this screen right here where it's going to say, okay, we're verifying your deposit. It's going to take 1 to 2 business days. And for most banks, it actually takes 1 to 2 business days until they can verify your account, because the funds arrive maybe 1 to 2 business days later. But like with my bank, like Revolut, which is like an international one, it took only like a minute. So that's pretty cool. And then once once the money actually arrives, you'll be getting an email from Coinbase looking like this. So they're gonna notify you when you get your deposit and when your bank account is verified. So then when you actually receive this email that your funds have now arrived and that your bank account is verified, you can click on View Deposit, log into your Coinbase account, and then you'll see that you're gonna have the funds on your portfolio. So when you go to Portfolio right here, then it's gonna say, for me, it's like €5, which is 5.53 Swiss francs, because I live in Switzerland here. My currency is Swiss francs. And now that our bank account is verified, we can actually deposit more money and then finally buy our cryptocurrency with our account balance. So to deposit more money, more fiat currency like euros, US dollars, or British pounds, you just go down on your portfolio to your assets, and then you click on the currency that you want to transfer. So for me, this would be, again, euros. So here I click on euro. And now I'm going to click on deposit right here on the right side. And then again, I have to enter the name of the bank that I'm sending money from. This is exactly the same bank that I have just verified under my settings. So again, for me, this would be Revolut. Then I'm going to enter my full name. This again should be the same name that you have on your Coinbase account. And now I'm going to maybe transfer €50. So I'm going to click on continue here. And then the same thing. So make sure again, before you send out the money, you want to make sure that you put this reference code that you see on your screen then in the reference field of your bank transfer. So once you've done that, you can again take a screenshot or maybe just write it down on a piece of paper. So you can check this, click on continue. And then here you can see the bank details where you have to send this amount of money to. And again, make sure to use that reference number. That is very important. Otherwise, the money will not actually arrive in your Coinbase account. So make sure you use the right information here and then click on I've sent the funds. So I've just sent over the €50 from my Revolut account on my phone. And as you can see here, it says that it can take up to 3 business days. And that's really depending on your bank. Again, with Revolut, it takes only a couple of minutes. But with most traditional bank accounts, it takes a lot longer. And as you can see here in the background, it already arrived right now. So I can close out of this. And you can see now that I've just deposited €50 that I can now buy Bitcoin with or any other cryptocurrency. Cool, so now that we have funded our account with fiat currency like US dollars, euros, or British pounds, we can go ahead and buy some Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency using Coinbase, using our account balance, which is a lot cheaper than using a credit card. So to do that, we go to the top here where it says buy and sell, and that will open up the window where we can buy, sell, or convert cryptocurrency. So here you want to make sure you are actually on the buy tab, and then you can enter the amount you want to buy Bitcoin for, or you can also switch this to Bitcoin and then enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. But I'm going to switch this to euros because I just want to buy Bitcoin worth €50. And then again, we have this one-time purchase selected here, which just means it's a one-time transaction. If you want to buy Bitcoin like every week or every month, like automatically, you can also set this up here. So if I would say like every month, then it would buy Bitcoin worth $50 every month, which is a nice way to kind of dollar cost average yourself into some cryptocurrency. But for now, I'm just going to make this a one-time purchase. And here you can decide on what kind of cryptocurrency you want to buy. So do we want to buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, or Ethereum, and so on? You can scroll down and even find some smaller cryptocurrency that you might not have heard of. But I'm going to stick with Bitcoin for now. And here I want to now switch from credit card to actually my Euro wallet. So I'm going to choose Euro right here. And then I can click on Preview Buy. Now, by clicking this button, you won't actually carry out the transaction yet. It's just going to give you an overview of what the transaction will look like when you actually confirm this. So let's click on Preview Buy here. And then you can see the approximate amount of Bitcoin that you'll be getting. Now, you can see here that the fee is a lot lower than with the credit card. And the reason it's actually a bit higher than 1.5% now is because this is below €200, and then the flat fee of €1.99 will actually apply. If you buy more than €200 worth of Bitcoin, then you'll actually get a 1.49% fee plus the spread of 0.5% that they're adding, which is already built into this price right now. So once everything looks fine here, then you can click on buy. And just for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to click on buy now. So now it says the order was submitted, and we will send you an email when your order status updates. So it shouldn't take too long until your order will fulfill, because this is a market order and they will just take the prices that are available on the Coinbase Pro market. So let's click done here. And let's go back to our portfolio right here. And as we can see now, we have some Bitcoin in our portfolio. We have 0.000965551 Bitcoin in our Coinbase portfolio. Now, just a quick thing I want to mention here on the side is that there's even a cheaper way of buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using Coinbase, and that is by using Coinbase Pro. By using Coinbase Pro, you have cheaper fees basically. But this interface, as you can see, is a lot more professional and kind of overwhelming for many people. And the reason why people actually use Coinbase is because they have such an easy to use interface. But so I'm not going to cover this in this specific tutorial, but I'm going to create another video specifically about Coinbase Pro. So I'm going to leave this video down below in the description. So if you want to save even more fees and you want to maybe get into trading cryptocurrency, then you can check out this video down below in the description. All right, so that's how you can buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on Coinbase. This was actually a segment of my complete Coinbase tutorial that is also available here on YouTube. So if you're a beginner to Coinbase and you want to learn more about how to use the platform, I'll leave a link to that tutorial down below in the video description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click that thumbs up button down below and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.